1½ cups all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon kosher salt, 1 cup plain whole milk yogurt, 1 1/3 cups sugar, divided, 3 extra large eggs, 2 teaspoons grated lemon zest, 2 lemons, 1/2 teaspoon pure vanilla extract, 1/2 cup vegetable oil, 1/3 cup freshly squeezed lemon juice. For the glaze, 1 cup confectioners sugar, 2 tablespoons freshly squeezed lemon juice. I use non-fat Greek yogurt or low-fat yogurt with great results. Directions. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees F. Grease an 8½ by 4¼ by 2½ inch loaf pan. Line the bottom with parchment paper, don't skip this. Grease and flour the pan. Or, you can use a Bundt cake pan, but be sure to grate and flour it well. I use Baker's Joy for perfect results. Sift together the flour, baking powder, and salt into one bowl. In another bowl, whisk together the yogurt, 1 cup sugar, the eggs, lemon zest, and vanilla. Slowly whisk the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. With a rubber spatula, fold the vegetable oil into the batter, making sure it's all incorporated. Pour the batter into the prepared pan and bake for about 50 minutes, or until a cake tester placed in the center of the loaf comes out clean. I always check my cakes 5 minutes before the recommended time, so I don't overbake it. Meanwhile, cook the 1/3 cup lemon juice and remaining 1/3 cup sugar in a small pan until the sugar dissolves and the mixture is clear. Set aside. When the cake is done, allow it to cool in the pan for 10 minutes. Carefully place on a baking rack over a sheet pan. While the cake is still warm, pour the lemon sugar mixture over the cake and allow it to soak in. Cool. For the glaze, combine the confectioner's sugar and lemon juice and pour over the cake. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more recipes. This recipe is in the description below.